Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file for unemployment online in New York City. First, it's crucial to understand the eligibility criteria set by the state. You'll need to have worked in New York and lost your job through no fault of your own. Also, gather all your personal and employment information beforehand. Having everything ready will make the online application process much smoother and quicker for you. Once you are ready, navigate to the New York State Department of Labor website. This is the official portal for all unemployment claims. You will either create a new NY, Gov ID, or log in if you already have one. Take your time to accurately fill out every section of the application. Double-checking your entries will prevent delays in processing your claim. To successfully complete your application, you will need several key pieces of information. This includes your Social Security number and any New York State identification. Be sure to have your full employment history, including employer names, addresses, and dates of employment. Finally, provide your bank account details for direct deposit, ensuring your benefits are paid efficiently. After submitting your application, the process isn't quite finished. You must certify for benefits each week, usually every 7 days, to continue receiving payments. The Department of Labor may contact you for additional information or an interview, so be ready to respond promptly. Remember to utilize the many resources available for job search support and training opportunities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.